You should be very careful, don't ignore these skin changes. We all know that the skin is the most important external organ of the human body. The skin protects the internal organs. This is why you should be very careful and don't ignore these skin changes, because these skin changes may indicate that something is wrong with your internal organs. Well, the real truth is that many people notice these early warning signs and they just ignore them. This is why you should be very careful, and if you notice any of these 6 skin changes, you should know that something is wrong with you and you should see a doctor immediately. Don't ignore these skin changes. 1. Wrinkles around the eyes. Yes, we all know that the wrinkles around the eyes usually indicate that you smile a lot and that you are getting old, but you should also know that the wrinkles around the eyes tell you that you should check your vision, because these lines can result from too much squinting. This is a common sign that your eyesight is weakened, but also you can squint if you mind too much sunlight, which means that you should be sure to wear sunglasses to prevent further damage to your vision and your eyes. 2. Dark skin on the neck and under the armpits. If you notice that the skin on your neck and under armpits is darker, then you should be very careful, because this may be an early warning sign of diabetes or thyroid problems. You should also know that the skin pigmentation disorder usually occurs in the folds and creases of the skin, and it is common in people who have higher risk of developing diabetes type 2. 3. Pale skin. If your skin is pale, then you should be very careful, because this may be an early symptom of chronic anemia, which one of the biggest causes of paleness. What is anemia? Well, anemia is a condition in which the body does not produce enough red blood cells, can occur due to low intake of iron, folic acid, and vitamin B12. You should also know that anemia can also be caused by genetic factors. 4. Freckles. You should know that this skin condition, freckles, may indicate that the skin DNA is damaged by the harmful UV rays. You should also know that some people are more prone to freckles genetically. But freckles can also be a result of exposure to sunlight, and they can become darker if you expose them to the sunlight. 5. Dryness. You should know that dry skin can indicate dehydration, which means that you do not drink enough water or you drink too much caffeine products and alcohol. You should be very careful, because there may be another side effect, pimples, because the skin is trying to produce more skin oil to compensate for the lack of water. 6. Acne around the mouth and on the chin. You should know that if you have acne in this part of the face, this can be an indicator of polycystic ovarian disorder of the endocrine system, which can cause infertility. So if the acne around your mouth and on the chin constantly appear and you also have irregular periods, you should see your doctor immediately. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.